Sir, at nag-install tayo dito sa ADB 160 ng Senlo X1. Yan, tsaka dual contact horn with back to stock. Yan sir, yung mini driving light mo sir. Yan, and low, yung high sir. Yan. Stock na horn sir. Off mo yung mini driving light mo sir. Stock horn. Yung loud horn sir. Yan, wala siyang kasama sa mini driving light yung busina yan sir. Passing light mo sir. Ayun, no? Low mo sir, passing light, high. Tapos busina mga sir, tingnan natin kung may kukurap. Yan, yung loud horn mo sir, yan. Yan, walang kurap oh. Tapos mini drive mo light mo sir, baba mo. Busina. Yan, ayos. Ito yung switch ni sir. Yan. Bali yung passing ni sir oh, may passing yung ano niya. Light. Tapos dito yung selector ng stock horn. Tapos loud horn. Grabe ah.
Galit kapit bahay namin.
Yan, at least may passing na sir. Isa pa nga sir. Yan. Stock horn sir. Mini driving light ulit sir. High. Yan. Low mo ulit sir. Tapos passing light. Yun no. High. Okay sir. Busina sir. Tingnan natin kukurap. Stop. Loud horn. Walang kurap oh. Yan sir, try mo ibabad kunti. Okay.